Did you know a woman taught herself to fly a helicopter just to break her husband out of prison? In 1986, Michel Vaujour was locked inside Fresnes prison, one of the most secure facilities near Paris. His wife Nadine had no flight training, no connections, no backup plan, so she got one. She took helicopter lessons, studied the prison layout, and on May 26th, she lifted off and flew straight into the exercise yard. Guards froze. Michel climbed aboard. They disappeared into the sky. The escape worked perfectly, but Michel was caught again within a year, and that's where the story changes. Nadine tried again. This time, police were ready. She was shot in the head during the attempt and left in critical condition. She survived, barely. She had already broken him out once. She nearly died trying a second time. Was it love? Obsession? Most people never get close enough to either one to know the difference. Please like, share and follow The Mysterious Banker for more interesting stories.